Joji here. In front of me, I have the Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. This is their XM6 headphones, and I'll be showing you how to reset the device to factory settings. So if you're having, Bluetooth connectivity issues, or, it has devices saved that it's trying to connect to constantly, and you don't want it to connect to another device, you can go ahead and perform this device reset. It will clear the Bluetooth list and put everything to factory reset. So to go ahead and do this, you would want to utilize both your power button and your noise cancellation or ambient sound button here. What we were going to do is we're going to press both buttons at the same time for 10 seconds, and that should then have a blue light blink 4 times here. So we'll go ahead and do that. And there we go. See how it blinked 4 times? As soon as it blinks 4 times like that, you can just let go. And now your device is factory reset. So if it was connected to any previous devices, such as your phone, your laptop, or any other Bluetooth device, it will no longer automatically pair to it. So what you'd want to do is go into your iPhone or go into your Android or laptop or wherever, go to your Bluetooth devices, go to your known devices, and then you would want to go ahead and remove the devices from your saved or known Bluetooth device list, and then just repair it back to have the headphones pair back to that device, right? And that's how you would factory reset a Sony WH-1000XM6.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.